Hey there! Do you know how and when to use the prepositions of time, at, in, and on? To talk about time, test what you know with our interactive quiz. But first, let's watch the explanations. At. Let's get started with the preposition at. We usually use it with clock times. For example, at 6 o'clock or at 9:30. We also use it with meal times, like at lunchtime, and at breakfast time. We also use at with some specific phrases, such as at present, at the moment, and at night. In addition, we use at with holidays, like at Christmas, at Easter, and at weekend. However, we can also say on weekends or on the weekend. This is more common in American English. In. We use in with months and seasons, like in April or in the summer. With decades, years, and centuries. For example, in 1980, in the 90s, and in the 21st century. Also, we use it with parts of the day, like in the morning, and with periods of time, such as in the Ice Age, in the past. On. We usually use on with days, for example. On Monday, on New Year's Day. We use it with dates like on 30 July. We also use it with parts of specific days. For example, on Monday morning or on Sunday night. Are you ready for the quiz? Please subscribe, share, and write your score on the comments section.